Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for something to really stabilize, to be a real reliable wheel chock for your camper, but you're not sure where to start, check this stabilizer set out from the EPOARTIST from the store WKK. Let me tell you how this authentic, the real thing, does everything you need. This camper wheel chock stabilizer set comes with 2 stabilizers and a ratcheting wrench. It's rust proof and it's made out of high quality steel. Now the handle is bent on this ratcheting wrench. It's perfect, so it's not going to hit or bang on the wheel skirt as you're tightening things up. So my husband's in love with this. It is super easy to expand and loosen. You just twist the wing nut. It adjusts to fit different sizes of tires as well, from 3.5 inch to 12 inch. You put it between the 2 tires and then you just start to tighten it up. Super easy to do. Each stabilizer is 10 pounds. They're not heavy, but they sure do the job in preventing any kind of shift and movement in the camper. As you can see, this is without the stabilizers and this is with. There is no movement, no swaying. It is just perfect. If you want something that's reliable, sturdy, and very impressive, I suggest you try these camper block stabilizer scissor sets from EPOARTIST, WKK store. You're not going to regret it, but that's my point of view.